Eric has 2 cups A and B made of material P. He poured an equal amount of hot water into each cup. Cup A was too hot to hold, but he can hold cup B easily as shown. Okay, now, so before that, right, of course, this one I already showed you that you have to identify the topic. It is on heat. Okay, now, so the question is that, which of the following best explains why Eric can hold cup B easily but not cup A? Okay, so you see the annotate part, all these are the keywords to actually guide you, okay, to find out the answers. Okay, so if you take a look at the highlighted part, okay, now concept check. Remember, both cups are made of the same material P, so both will conduct same conductor of heat. Okay, and also remember this, heat will traverse from a hotter region or hotter object to a cooler object. Now, so if you take a look at this question here, right, which statement best explains why Eric can hold cup B easily but not cup A? Okay, so this is the key thing. Now, if you notice cup A, no handle, cup B with handle. Okay, so if teacher Shirley, if you click further, okay, now remember for cup B, right, heat will travel from cup B to the handle, then to Eric's hand. Okay, if you take a look at cup A, the heat will travel from cup A to Eric's hand. So if you take a look at the 4 options, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, what do you think is the answer? Wow, some of you have actually answered. Okay, some say 4, some say 3. Okay. Now, of course, nobody say 1 and 2 so far. Okay, now the answer is 3. Why? Now, okay, why isn't it the answer 4? Cup A is a good conductor of heat, but the handle of cup B is not. Now, the thing is that, you see, they actually tell you that it is made of material P, the 2 cups. So basically, the whole material, right, the whole cups are made of the same material. So the answer should be 3. Distance from heat source is further in cup B. That means to say for cup B, if you take a look, right, okay, the heat will travel from this cup, then they will have to travel to the handle, then to Eric's hand. That's why Eric can hold cup B easily. Okay, cup A was too hot to hold already because the heat will transfer directly to Eric's hand. Okay, so that's why the answer is 3. Yes? Okay, so okay, ask me, why can't the answer be 4? Now, the thing is that cup A and cup B, right, they are made of the same material P. The whole thing. The question didn't tell you that the handle is made out of different materials. So the whole cup A and B, they are made of the same material. So a lot of students, they actually have this misconception that, oh, is it because the handle is made out of different material? No, it is the same. Yes? Okay? Yes. The handle is also made out of material P. Because the question, they tell you that Eric has 2 cups, A and B, made of material P.